right, welcome to the open mic at Panhandlers Pizza. We got Harper behind the bar tonight. And Ryan's filming this for posterity. So a couple of weeks ago I heard Danny sing the Rowing Song by Patty Griffin. I got to see her about 30 years ago at an E-Town taping. So here's one of her songs from her first record. Those kids are living in a poor man's house. They walk to school with the soles of their shoes worn out. Come home in the evening to a poor man's house. There's nothing like poverty. Get you into heaven. Got a lot of wine and fish up there. The bread's unleavened. They ain't got a lot of years that I heard the whip go crack. Lots of broken toys and races made. Daddy's been working too hard for days and days and doesn't eat. He doesn't think so, but I think this time it's gotta be. It isn't that he isn't kind or pleasure. Your daddy's poor today and he will be poor forever. Hey, it's a poor man's house. Those kids are living in a poor man's house. Everywhere they went before must have turned them. Guess it's for someone else's kids who wasn't born in a poor man's house. Poor man's house. Hey, take a look at that house. Those kids are living in a poor man's house. Thank you. Patty Griffin tune. So here's the title track of the new Jason Isbell called Foxes in the Snow. I love my love. I love her mouth. Love the way she turns the lights off in her house. so easy. I love my love, her golden hair. I like to picture her alone when I'm not there. Friends, the ones I know, they leave drops of blood like foxes in the snow. And all the beasts beneath her bed, she defeats and leaves for dead. Falls asleep inside my head, seems so easy. Disassembles me at night. I love her well, I love her sick. I love the carrot, but I really like the stick. All the boys I could have been, all the fights I didn't win, they put me here against her skin. Now she can't see me. Love my love, love her hands, love the way she sees the child inside the man. Thank you. A long time ago, left my home for a job in the fruit trees, and I miss those hills with their windy pines and their song seems to suit me. So I sent my wages to my home, said we'd soon be together for the next good crop, pay my way, and I'd come home forever. One more dime to show for my day, one more dollar, I'm on my way. When I reach those hills, boy, never roam. One more dollar, going home. No work, said the boss. Bunkhouse door, there's a freeze on the branches. Till the dice came out. Bar downtown, well, I rolled and took my chances. One more dime, sure for my day. One more dollar, on my way. When I reach those hills, boy, never roam. One more dollar, going home. 20. Could you spare a coin or a Christian prayer? My luck is turned against me. One more dime to show for my day. One more dollar on my way. When I reach those hills, boys, I'll never roam. One more dollar going home. One more dollar going home. Thank you. That's a Gillian Welch song. Hey, thanks for listening. I'm Mike Murray. Thanks, Mike McDonald, for hosting.